Likhitha. So I'm gonna present my project IX today, which is a smart retail assistant system. So here I have this YOLO 11 model, which is basically used for object detection. It will extract the text from the image which we uploaded there, and then it will display on the website. So here I used the SKU 110K fixed model because it contains crowded retail images, and also my YOLO model is trained with one class, which is basically perfect. And also I trained the model with 30 epochs with a batch size of 16 and then an image size of 640. After training, I extracted the best PT model, which is basically used used in my Flash backend because it has the best image detection system. And also after training, I so these are the precision and recall systems. So basically my precision, it basically gives how many detections were detected, and also recall tells us how many products were detected. And then my precision score is basically 89%, and then my recall score is 82%, and my F1 accuracy score is 85%, whereas my MAP 50 score is 87%, and my MAP 1595 is 53.25%. So here we have loaded the best PT model into VS Code, which we basically use for backend, which is right here. And now coming to backend, we're gonna app py. So this component, it will receive the front end uploaded image, and it will basically send it to the backend system, which we basically where we extract the text from afterwards. And here we have routes py, which is used, which is the main API endpoint. And here the front end will send the uploaded image here for analysis. So these are the main steps. So these are the main steps. So here YOLO will extract the text. YOLO will detect the text, and then the product will be cropped, and then the OCR will extract the text. And then here the component will allow the user to select or upload the shelf image. And then in shelf analysis, so we will analyze the shelf, which will basically where the image is basically passed to the analysis function. And then in vision service component, the front end will put the image into form data, and then it will send to Flask API using the post method. And then in shelf viewer, the Flask backend will return the image, and then uh, it will return the detection results as JSON. And then in product service, the front end will receive the data, and then it will display the bounding boxes and the product information. And now we're gonna upload an image and then analyze it. So here we are. So first we have to log in. So we're gonna sign up using an account because we don't have one now. So I'm gonna type in my name. So here we have all these settings. Here we have dashboard, and then here we have shelf analysis, and here we have product classification. Like if you have any doubt, it will clarify it using an AI model. And here we're going to analyze the shelf first. So we're going to drop an image. So I'm going to use this image. So here it detected the number of products which are here, which is basically 150. And shows the confidence percentage of the product. So here, as we can see, it has 49%, and here that 37% and everything. And this is the average confidence, which is 71%. And then if we go to dashboard, we can see how many shelves we have analyzed and then how many products it detected. Like it will load all the history and then it will save it there. And if we go to ILXAI, we can ask we can ask it any questions like do you have a cheaper alternative, and then we can basically see if it has any healthier alternatives of the product and everything. And here, if you go here, we can see the history as well. Like, what are the products which, I mean, how many shares did we detect and everything. Thank you.